Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you've been trying to format your USB flash drive and you keep getting the frustrating error message that says Windows was unable to complete the format, don't worry, keep watching and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. To get started, we're going to need to open the command prompt within administrative privileges. Head down to your taskbar search and type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. If a pop-up asks for permission, just click Yes. Once you're in the command prompt window, let's type diskpart and press Enter. This launches the built-in Windows Disk Management utility. Next, let's type list disk and press Enter to view all the storage drive currently connected to your computer. Now you need to identify which disk number belongs to the USB drive you're having the trouble with. An easy way to verify this is to match the sizes. Open your Windows File Explorer and click on this PC and look at your USB drive's capacity. Back in the command prompt, find the disk number that matches the size. And once you're 100% sure you have the right number, select it by typing select disk 1 or replace 1 with whatever specific disk number is and press Enter. Next, we need to clear any write protection flags that might be blocking the process. Let's type attributes space disk space clear space read only and press Enter. After that, type clean and hit Enter. What this command does is completely wipe out any corrupted partitions or file system errors that are stopping Windows from formatting the drive. Now that the drive is clean, we need to create a fresh partition layout. Type create space partition space primary and press Enter. And finally, we'll format the drive so Windows can read it again. Let's type format space fs equal ntfs quick and press Enter. Now, if you're using the USB drive for a Mac or a car stereo, you might want to replace the ntfs with exFAT instead. And once the format is 100% complete, your USB drive should be fully functional and working perfectly again. Let me know in the comments if this solution worked for you, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.